Christmas stuff too.
Black Friday special.
Oh yeah, Black Friday. Everyone getting stocking. Oh well, good seeing you, man.
See ya.
Is it? Is there any more coming? Or is it?
What is this video shooting every time I
Oh, YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, you can ask me, I can do some acting. You know? You should make a script and, you know.
Yeah, next time I'll be like, oh yeah, hey.
I'm a good actor, Bollywood actor.
Oh, is there another box or not?
There's only one.
Only one? Oh, probably in the morning. Yeah, I'm here in the morning.
See ya.
See ya.
As soon as the camera comes on, now he's in a good mood. He's like so high
God.
energy.
Look at the intern.
Hi
I'm
everyone.
going to do the unboxing at the back. Someone comes in. So, this is a t-shirt box just in time for summer. Alright, let's see what we got. I think this is going to be a good box. Heater. Basketball. Basketball. This is all basketball stuff. Sports team. You get first
You'll be
picks.
fine.
You get first picks in the C-Bell.
Okay, fine. If there's a crystal here, I'm taking it. I'll play smash or pass. Ready?
Smash.
Smash. Smash.
You want to show us the t-shirts though?
Pass.
You don't like a sports team, eh?
No, these are
That, was,
smash though.
that is fresh. Look. So, LeBron James, mate. There you go.
Oh god, this
Nike.
is hard. How do you do this, Stu?
Nike.
A lot of grey. Good for the sweat patches.
We love.
Seabell suddenly becomes a comedian.
Heaps and I. Okay.
We love.
We love classics.
Just all your classics. I'm looking for the grails right now.
Do you want to show everyone on maybe the YouTube what you're looking at?
Can you not see?
Yeah.
This
I was
side
talking to
lens.
Tyler.
Fuck, that's huge.
That is huge. Nice colour though.
Oh, I can see this one.
Any
This one's a
surf tees?
bloody nice one.
Dude, just heaps of these Nike. These are gonna go so quick.
Yeah, Nike's are actually selling so fast right now.
That's a cool one.
This one.
No, the one Seabell had.
We're just showing grails. These ones everyone loves. I like them too as well. These type of Nikes.
Really?
Yeah, everyone loves them.
No, I'm not a fan,
Yeah, no.
personally.
Yeah, but you suck.
Of Mrs.
And these
Clothes.
ones are. People love these ones.
Yeah, that's kind of
Can I make a complaint to HR?
yeah.
Mate, you own the business as well.
I'm
Yeah,
complaining to
it's
myself.
Seabell at HR.
Seabell, you're high.
Oh shit.
Let's see the back. Just the soccer
Some of
ball.
these are like huge though.
We
Or am
know.
I just small? Like,
You're
is that
tiny.
massive?
You're like
No.
literally an extra small.
Yeah, but tell me
That's
that.
a double XL. That's why.
So you think I'm skinny?
Just tell me I'm skinny. Am I just gonna keep
Stuart's
going?
gonna sub in for me.
I'm just still going.
I'm tired already.
Okay, until Brooke tells me to stop.
Oh yeah. So.
That's way too boxy though. Yeah, that'll fit. How am I supposed to rep the clothes if I can't even fit?
Oh, this one's fresh, mate. You'd love this one, Seba.
Yeah, that's a sick colour too.
It's alive. Look at the back.
Yeah, I'm a fan. Oh, it's a bit too floral, but anyway. No, sorry, just kidding. It's so good. You should buy it.
No, it is fresh.
Stu's feeling left out.
Stu wants to jump in
I'm
on.
over it.
You've got to love vintage, see that. You can't just
I
be
don't
over
get paid
it.
enough to love vintage.
Oh, some car tees. Some M&Ms.
There's a surf, see that.
Oh, I'll have them.
You left at the most.
Oh no, give them to me.
Oh, they would.
Ah,
Yes.
finally.
That's a
That
nice
too.
one.
Throw me that.
Why don't you look through that?
You can look
That
for the
way.
rest.
That's why you wanted to look through the whole box.
This is like
Polo.
way too much going on for a viewer right now.
What?
It's way too
Yeah.
Stu's favourite. Duckhead.
Yeah, you're a dickhead.
What?
What?
Whoa, whoa,
Whoa.
whoa. We're a family channel.
Family channel.
There's all this NASCAR.
Now,
Hooters.
like,
Hooters.
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 Pit crew.
Alright, I'm done. Tired. Making me dizzy.
A lot of hard rocks.
Orlando's. Barcelona. Barcelona.
Bit of hush, bit of this.
Bit of that. Bit of this.
Welcome to my Google Sheets. Official vintage Christmas party proposal. A presentation by what? The why. Why?
Haven't been videoing the whole time.
Why do we need a Christmas party? Couple of things. To boost team morale. We've all been talking a lot of shit lately. And I think we really need to just remember that we're family.
Yeah.
Okay? Celebrate OV market starting. Congrats.
We love.
Morale,
I
guys.
think
Morale.
I think a key point is to have embarrassing stories as ammunition for the future. So Stu, if you annoy me, I will use this ammo. Also to be wholesome. And it has to be cool. So not Lindell's
Yeah, we
idea.
like that.
Non-negotiables.
We love
I think
it.
we can all agree on
Yeah.
these. Okay.
The
Alright.
two main ones.
I'm ticking that off.
We're starting strong with go-karting. No, don't.
Tyler can't drive.
Secondly,
He's gonna take
Secondly, I should have
It's
made
up,
rules.
we
I
mu-
should have made rules at the
we'll-
start of this. No interrupting. Luna Park,
Ooh,
A
great, good
classic.
idea. Great idea.
roller coasters. Say less.
Can drink.
Secondly, OH&S. Those roller coasters could break at any second. Kind of stressed. Height limitations. Not sure if I can get on my Can drink. Again, a competition style. Bragging rights for a year. Handicap hacks.
How are cons? How's there no shoes of cons? That's my favourite bit of it.
Cons, the shoes.
I get shoes, but I thought we were talking about lawn bowls.
No, I'm talking about bowling. Taking votes. You said?
Just because the drink
It's
is
brooks for you.
Bro, I'm
You're
so
gonna hate
poor.
this-
Are you taking
hate
the
this
piss?
filming.
I'm so.
What are you doing? Me, you feel me like this?
You feel my back. Feel my back. Oh, what about
There's one in
laser
Melbourne
tag?
Central.
Laser
Nah,
tag's
it's
lame.
boring. You don't
Dude.
even know when you get hit.
Yeah, like.
And then you're like running around, it's
No,
like
I
you're
really
already
wanna do
dead.
paintball.
Yeah, because you're all gonna hit me.
Yeah, but like paintball's like annoying. Walk us through what we're doing.
Come with me, guys. We're gonna take all these jackets. We're gonna move them so they're all along here on single rack.
Single racks, and then we're gonna. What are we doing for the sales stuff?
So we're gonna use this big double rack. Double sales rack.
All the
for
sales stuff. Yeah.
Christmas.
Pretty much we're doing it for the school holidays.
School holidays.
Because all the kids just come in and just say, oh, when are you restocking your $20 rack? Looks bloody beautiful.
What do you reckon, Tyler? Looking good? All
Looking
one
good.
level, easy to go through.
And it's 20% off sweaters today.
20% off.
25. I'm fucking terrible with numbers today.
25% off jackets.
No, I'm just gonna do an Instagram story. Oh, it's sweaters. Look at this. I don't want to take it off. Ruin the Instagram story. Yo.
Do you want to show us the TikTok stuff?
Sure. 43,000. So we've been posting consistently for 30 days. And we had a couple blow up. 43,000, mate. We did it. We made it.
Do you have any tips, maybe?
Some tips. What I've found about TikTok is you've always got to be consistent. Make sure you're posting every day. Make sure you're posting quality content. Also, just look on your For You page, get a lot of inspiration. Use some of that in your videos. See what works. Like, do a whole month where you're just testing out a whole bunch of stuff, and obviously you see what's done the most views, so you can start doubling down on that sort of stuff. I know I said that sort of stuff. Shout out to the guy that copied our video but did it in Mexican, but didn't stitch it and did more views and follows than us.
How many views did he get?
I'm gonna bring it up just because it's annoyed the shit out of me.
It's
Yeah.
funny, it's good, but
It's funny, we love. I don't know why I keep saying we love as well. Okay.
¿Viste un TikTok que decía que si mojabas tu playera en agua caliente ibas a arreglar la parte del cuello que se suele estirar? Necesitaremos una playera desgastada, así es como luce una playera normal. Esta es la que vamos a hacer.
1.9 mil.
Ya está bastante estirado.
That is so funny.
Not the copy, then they get more likes. Fucking hell, yeah.
Oh, nah, that's quality though.
Quality, we love.
Slightly unwell, but
We love.
But yeah, we'll keep you an update. Till this is next Tuesday, we'll see where we're at. Hopefully it'll pass like 60 or something.
oh, should we talk about the days?
Oh yeah, come out the front, I'll show you what we're doing, because everyone keeps stopping at the front of the window. It look like an advent calendar now. People were just like, when we first started, everyone was like, what the hell is that? Look, we're on day 7, 25% off jackets today. So, our goal for TikTok, well, it's the same with everything. We want to build a big community of people that love the brand. How good will it be when we start promoting? Yeah, I reckon it'll make it a lot easier because we can like show people to the website and they can actually join, rather than at the minute there's nothing really to go to.
And like we can start promoting stores.
Yeah, we can start promoting stores and small businesses that get on the platform, and we can actually start choosing who we're going to be putting on the platform as well.
That's exciting.
Any
Big
other
things.
questions, Brooke, while you're here?
When's it launching?
I don't think I'm allowed to say that yet, am I? Stu, am I allowed to say that?
Yeah.
So we're thinking of launching, well, we are launching 1st of Feb, but we're going to be getting the sellers on before that to test everything out, which will be all through January. But yeah, we'll be launching 1st of Feb.
What's this? OV Market.
This is for OV Market,
Live.
but it should be live. It should be live before Christmas, but we just sort of need to start testing everything out so the website's working all good. Yeah, and
We're gonna
best seller experience,
and
buyer experience.
yeah, we're gonna start promoting the shit out of it.
We're gonna start promoting. We've just been posting how-to videos, and
Just-
we've blown up to 41,000. Hopefully it's
43, mate.
43. We're just beginning. It's only been a month on TikTok.
Next
Now it's
month,
now it's time to start-
100,000.
Yeah, now it's time to start building the Instagram.
Exciting.
Yeah, it's exciting, but it'll be better when a lot more sellers are on board, just because we can start promoting this stuff.
Yeah. Sick. Well, thanks for the update, Tyler.
It's all good. Alrighty, welcome back to another episode of Behind the Counter. We're going to do a little recap of what we did this week. Brooke, do you want to start us off on OV Market stuff?
Yeah, so OV Market this week, we got the website in our hands, so we got to look at all the website stuff, which is really exciting. And we also announced, in this video, we announced the launch of our website, which is going to be the 1st of February, which is also going to be really cool.
Yeah, so we're going to start getting the sellers on in Jan.
Yeah.
And then it's all going to be ready for launch in the 1st of Feb.
Yeah.
And another thing with that, with the OV market, our TikTok has grown pretty drastically. We're almost at 50,000 followers. And then on Instagram, we're at 6,000, which is pretty massive.
Yeah,
It's a
especially.
lot harder to get followers on Instagram, but we've only really been going for about a month.
Yeah. So
So
it's really positive.
it's super positive, which is good.
Yeah. And also 24 days of Christmas. We're halfway through, so keep your eyes out on the deals that are coming up this week.
There's still some good deals left. And yeah, start of the school holidays, we've just put out 300 new items for the school holidays, which are heavily discounted.
Yeah, no, I think that's pretty much it.
Yeah, welcome back. Make sure you like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you
See
next
ya.
week.